Hello, this is Brittany with Scott Leroy Marketing, and in today's tip video we're going to go over how to send a referral network invitation and also how to accept a referral network invitation within Command. Now the first step is going to be to log into agent.kw.com. Once you are logged in, we're going to go over to the Referrals applet here on the left-hand side. That is the little person icon here. If you have a hard time scrolling over or hovering over these icons, you do have the option to click the red KW at the top, which will allow the menu to expand for you. Once we click on referrals, we're going to be redirected to the main Referrals Dashboard. Here you can actually search your referral network and see everyone that's already here. And now there are two ways that you can send the network referral invitation. You can actually search for a person here, and that'll search your referral network to see if they are already within your list. If they are not in your list, you can actually find them here with the out of my network. So by clicking this little person icon, it'll ask you, would you like to send an invitation? And if you wanted to do a specialized message here, you could do that and then just hit send invitation directly from this little search option. Now let's say you didn't know the name of the person that you wanted to invite to the network. Maybe you were looking to, looking to grow in different markets or something like that. You would be able to use the map. And what this map is going to do, it's going to let you search by production, by market center. You can also, if you wanted to look through your network, you could see that as well. So let's say I wanted to look in Tampa. I'm going to go ahead and just type whatever city that you want to look in. And now this is going to show you all of the different closings that have happened in this area. That is what the production is going to look like. Now you can see on the right hand side you don't have any options, and that is because they have found too many agents to display. So you would have to zoom in, or if you click on one of these location icons, it'll start to zoom in a little bit further for you as well. So this will be able to really nail down a specific area to target. Once you have a smaller list, you will be able to see the results here on the right hand side. You can do the drop down to see the information on that particular agent. You can actually filter agents by this that's these little slider option icons here. There's especially KW specializations, the different units closed, listing closed, things like that. You can edit any of these, and that'll let you apply the filter. So I'm just going to go ahead and say let's do luxury, and then I'll apply the filter. Once your filter takes place, it'll go ahead and narrow those down for you. So we have 143 results versus the 500 and some that we had previously. By default, it's going to sort by random, but if you click that button, you get a drop down option here to change that up. You can do alphabetically by first or last name. And then again, you can also do the closed units by size, things like that. Once you're happy with your selection, if you figure out who you want to send your network invitation to, all you're going to do is go ahead and click the same person plus icon here. And you're going to get the same question. Would you like to send an invitation? And then again, whatever personalized message that you would like to send out, you can type that out here. Once you're happy with your personalized message, you would just go ahead and hit send invitation, and that will be sent over to the KW agent's command. Now to accept a referral invitation, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to log into agent.kw.com, go to the Referrals applet again, and here from the main dashboard, you're going to see your pending invites. Once you click on your pending invites, that'll redirect you. You can see everyone that has been inbound and anyone that's been outbound. So we're still waiting on Brian to receive or to accept or ignore us. You do have the option if you're sending invites out, if you decide that you don't really want to leave them lingering, you can hit cancel on any of those. Now, as you can see, On your pending invites, you're going to see who the agent is. You're going to see when the invite was sent out to you, and then also any personalized message. You do have two options. You can ignore or you can accept. Either one of those will be listed there for you on any invite that is pending. So I'm going to go ahead and say accept to Aaron. Once you hit accept, it's going to say successfully accepted your invitation from Aaron Hawkins at the top. And then you can see then when you go to your dashboard, Aaron is now listed in our referral network. I'm going to go back to our pending inbound invites just to show you a couple other things. If you click on the agent's name, you can see this is hyperlinked. That's going to redirect you to their Command Connect profile. This is still something in the works with KW support being launched. However, this should be mostly updated for you there. So again, in order to accept your inbound referral network invitations, you're going to go from your dashboard in the referral applet, click on pending invites to see the list of pending inbound invites for you. Tongue twister. The two options again are ignore or accept. If you hit ignore or if you hit cancel, you will not receive any notification. They will just disappear from your list. However, clicking accept is going to not only give you this notification that it's successfully accepted, but it's then going to move that person over to your network. So we can see Barbara. And you can see Barbara has successfully been entered. And it'll come up here in your list. Drop down is going to give you all of that information. You can send to the referral directly from their contact here, or if you decide that you don't want to have them in your network, you also have the option to remove them as well. If you have any questions on anything we've gone over, just let us know and we'll be happy to help.